Hey, XBT Trading, Bitcoin futures here. Let's go over the trading plan for the Globex session tonight and the regular trading session tomorrow, Monday, May the 20th. If we look at our abridged worksheet, we'll notice that we changed the overnight position to neutral while the short-term and longer-term time frames are still bearish. So with that said, we're hesitant to put on long positions, and we'll look for receptive sellers to jump in at any of our initial resistance points. The average is our average daily trading range has come down in the 24-hour session to 433, and our regular trading session is still right about 300. So let's look at our zones today, and then we'll talk about that our range analysis in a second. We had as you'll see, I took two candles into the Globex, which we originally had our initial resistance at 8235 to 8300, which has been our major bull bear zone, and it has gapped above it not only that zone, but our next tight resistance zone of 8365 to 8387. This spot here, where we seem to stop now at our resistance zone of 8511 to 8518, shows longer-term strength, longer-term resistance on multiple time frames. And if we look at where we are now in relation to stretching a range exhaustion in the 300 to 400 level from where we closed on Friday at 82.55, that's going to put us into this zone here. So look for responsive sellers to perhaps be in the market at this point of 87.10 to 87.47. Also watch where we are here for, again, perhaps sell off at 85.11 to 85.18. So that's if we carry it up. We looked at an initial support zone, and still do, down to the 81.59 to 81.80 range, which is right here, followed by support at 81.18 to 81.37. And if we extend our range down from roughly 8,200, that puts us at what, 7,700 range, which would be our final support zone here if we move 500 points in the next 24 hours. So all of these zones are valid. Set 8032, 8076, and then we'll go to our longer time frames of 7940 to 8008 and 7680 to 7742. So those are what we're looking to see in the Globex tonight and into the regular trading session tomorrow. So keep the zones in mind, keep range exhaustion to the upside in mind, and again, first tap at 87.10 to 87.47. And if we get to, unlikely that we will, but anything's possible that we get to 89.68, 9,000, I would certainly look that to be a spot where receptive sellers would jump back in. So good luck trading overnight and into the regular trading hours tomorrow, and I'll see you after the market close for our trading recap.